The importance of friendship. Friendship is one of the most valuable things in life because it brings happiness and support. A true friend is someone who listens to you, understands your feelings, and stays with you in good and bad times. Friends make our lives brighter by sharing laughter, stories, and special moments. They help us when we feel sad or lonely, giving us strength to move forward. Friendship teaches us to care about others and to be kind and patient. Without friends, life would feel empty and less meaningful. Good friends are like a family that we choose for ourselves. They are always there when we need advice, comfort, or just someone to talk to. When we share our dreams and problems with friends, we feel less stressed and more confident. Friendship helps us learn how to trust and respect people. It also teaches us how to forgive and accept differences. Having friends from different backgrounds makes life more interesting and colorful. Friendship also has a big effect on our mental and physical health. People with good friends are usually happier and live longer because they feel loved and supported. Talking and spending time with friends can reduce anxiety and help us relax. When we laugh together, it makes our hearts and minds stronger. True friendship also inspires us to become better people. Friends remind us that we are not alone, no matter what happens. In today's busy world, it is important to take time to care for our friendships. Sending a message, making a call, or meeting for a coffee can keep the connection strong. Friendship needs attention, honesty, and effort to grow. When we appreciate our friends, we make them feel special and valued. Building strong friendships creates a positive and happy life for everyone. In the end, friendship is a treasure that makes the world a warmer and kinder place. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.